Hey guys, Lisa here, and today I'm going to walk you through how to make these super cute little lace seamless panties.
For this tutorial, we'll be using this multi-page printable pattern. Just print it out on any at-home printer, align the pages by the notches and the numbers, and then cut it out. You'll also want some 4-way stretch lace fabric. I got this from minerva.com. You can tell it's a 4-way stretch because it moves in every direction. This will make your panties more comfortable. So fold it in half, and then you're going to place the center front on the fold line. Pin it in place and cut it out. Since lace fabric can tend to get a little bit slippery and slide around while you're cutting it, you might want to use a few more needles to hold everything in place. Just be sure your needles and your scissors are really sharp. This simple pattern only has 2 pieces to cut out, so you can even use your scraps to create your crotch lining. Fold it in half, and you're going to be cutting one of these out as well. When both pieces are cut out, you should be able to open them up and your fabric pieces should look like this. Your crotch lining piece should fit really nicely at the center front of your panties and line up perfectly with both edges. Now we get to sew it together. Fold your panties back together with the right sides facing each other and pin along that center back line. You're going to sew this using a serger or a zigzag stitch on a standard sewing machine with a stretch needle at a 1/4 inch inseam. After you're done sewing and you've trimmed your threads, your panty should look something like this. Now it's time to install the crotch lining. You're going to take your crotch lining and put it with the right sides facing together and pin and sew along the sides. Again, be sure you're using a 1/4 inch seam allowance and either a serger or a zigzag stitch. Believe it or not, your panties are almost done. They should look something like this at this point. Now your next step is you're going to actually flip that lining inside out so that your seams aren't going to be bothering you. And then you can line your panties up and sew them together along that bottom crotch edge. This will be the final step in completing your panties. Once your threads are trimmed, your panties are complete. You did it, and in less than about 10 minutes. Now you get to try them on, see how they fit, and make some more. You can download this pattern at modernsewingpatterns.com along with so many more, and get this fabric from minerva.com. I hope you liked this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching.